welcome back. This time it's time to take a little trip down memory lane to our favorite place on earth, Sicily. But why Sicily, you ask? Well, the answer is it's delightful as the Mediterranean sun, and it begins with a love story. Last May, my wife and I were lucky enough to venture to this Italian paradise, an island wrapped in turquoise waters, caressed by golden sand, and adorned by the radiant Sicilian sun. From the moment we landed, Sicily stole our hearts, but not just with its postcard perfect landscapes. You see, in Sicily, love and life revolve around one thing: food. And one street food in particular made us feel more at home than we ever thought possible: the legendary arancini. So we can't be in Sicily right now, but that's not stopping us. We decided to go ahead and try and recreate that incredible arancini experience right here at home. It's not a traditional recipe, just our way of capturing that pure Sicilian taste. Let's get into it and start cooking.
So after spending all day in the kitchen, we are finally here. We have our table set up. We have rice, koloff, ragu, mozzarella, the dough. How do you say? Like,
What is the dough?
it's made with flour and water.
So with that, like, what kind of consistency do you want to get it to?
It's like not too liquid and not too thick.
Okay. So like a tempura batter?
Yes.
Okay. What else you got?
Breadcrumb,
Is it seasoned or unseasoned?
unseasoned,
Okay.
olive oil, and water, just in case that you need to wet your hand to make arancini. And we have these arancini stamps that I never tried before. We just bought from Amazon, so we are going to try for the first time today. Now we are going to try the other shape. This is more round. It's called in Sicily arancina. So in Palermo they make a round shape called arancina, while in Catania they make called arancino, and it's more like how you say this shape?
It's more like a cone, I would
Cone
say.
shape. There you go.
So it just broke using that stamp, so we're gonna go ahead and use the old-fashioned method.